not at these parties, you're a loser. But if like the cool kids are like, yeah, you're a loser.